29. Uang siap. Seorang pria muda pergi ke sebuah showroom, ruang pamer barang mobil. Dia mengenakan sepatu boot karet dan sebuah jaket yang kotor. Dia sangat butuh potong rambut dan tidak bersyukur. Pria muda itu memeriksa mobil mahal dengan hati-hati dan kemudian berbalik untuk berbicara dengan salesman. Berapa harga mobil ini? Dia bertanya. 1.218 pound sterling. Salesman berkata. Saya akan memiliki 16 dari mobil tersebut, kata pemuda itu. Salesman itu tersenyum. Dia merasa sulit berperilaku sopan. Anda bercanda, tentu saja. Dia berkata, saya khawatir kami tidak dapat membantu Anda. Mobil ini tidak untuk dijual. Salesman menunjukkan pintu kepada pelanggannya, dan pria muda itu meninggalkan toko tanpa mengatakan apapun. Dia pergi ke showroom di seberang jalan dan meminta 16 mobil. Penjual kedua itu sopan dan membantu. Pemuda itu mengeluarkan setumpuk uang dari sakunya dan membayar mobil secara tunai. Dia menjelaskan bahwa mobil ini untuk dirinya sendiri dan 15 rekannya. Dia mengatakan bahwa dia dan rekannya mengerjakan sebuah perahu nelayan orang Norwegia. Kami telah menghasilkan banyak uang musim ini, dia itu berkata, dan kami ingin membeli mobil. Secara alami, salesman kedua sangat senang. 1. Apakah pemuda itu sedang mengenakan sepatu boots karet? 2. Dia sedang mengenakan sebuah jaket yang kotor, bukan? 3. Tidakkah dia membutuhkan potong rambut dan cukur jenggot? 4. Apakah dia menanyakan seharga sebuah mobil? 5. Itu adalah sebuah mobil yang mahal, bukan? 6. Apakah lelaki itu ingin membeli 16 mobil? 7. Salesman tidak percaya padanya, bukan? Akankah pemuda itu membeli mobil-mobil di toko lain? 9. Apakah dia bekerja pada sebuah perahu pancing nelayan? 10. Apakah dia telah menghasilkan banyak uang tahun ini? 11. Apakah teman-temannya telah menghasilkan banyak uang juga? 12. Siapa yang ingin membeli 16 mobil? 13. Siapa yang berpikir pemuda itu sedang bercanda? 14. Siapa yang bekerja pada sebuah perahu pancing? 15. Siapa yang telah menghasilkan banyak uang tahun ini? Apakah pemuda itu berpakaian dengan sebuah setelan, atau apakah dia sedang menggunakan sepatu boots karet dan sebuah jaket yang kotor? Apakah dia ingin membeli satu mobil atau sebuah mobil yang mahal? Apakah dia ingin membeli satu mobil atau 16 mobil? Apakah salesman pertama membantu atau tidak membantu? Apakah pemuda itu pergi ke toko lain atau dia tetap berada di toko sama? Apakah dia membayar mobil itu dengan tunai atau dengan cek? Mengapa salesman yang pertama berpikir bahwa pemuda itu sedang bercanda? Di manakah showroom yang mobil kedua? Berapa banyak mobil yang pemuda itu ingin beli? Bagaimana pemuda itu membayar mobil? Di mana pemuda itu bekerja? Kenapa dia ingin membeli 16 mobil? 29. Ready money. A young man went to a car showroom. He was wearing rubber boots and a dirty jacket. He needed a haircut badly and was unshaven. The young man examined an expensive car carefully and then turned to speak to the salesman. How much does this car cost? He asked. 1,218 pounds. The salesman said. I have 16 of them, the young man said. The salesman smiled. He found it hard to be polite. You're joking, of course, he said. I'm afraid we can help you. This car is not for sale. The salesman showed his customer the door, and the young man left the shop without a word. He went to a showroom on the other side of the street and asked for 16 cars. The second salesman was polite and helpful. The young man took a bundle of notes out of his pocket and paid for the cars in cash. He explained that the cars were for himself and his 15 colleagues. He said that he and his colleagues work on a Norwegian fishing boat. We have all earned a lot of money this season, the man said, and we want to buy cars. Naturally, the second salesman was delighted. 1. Was the young man wearing rubber boots? Yes, he was. He was wearing a dirty jacket too, wasn't he? Yes, he was. Didn't he need a haircut and a shave? Yes, he did. Did he ask the price of a car? Yes, he did. It was an expensive one, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Does the man want to buy 16 cars? Yes, he does. The salesman didn't believe him, did he? Yes, he didn't. Will the young man buy the cars at another shop? Yes, he will. Does he work on a fishing boat? Yes, he does. Has he earned a lot of money this year? Yes, he has. Have his colleagues earned a lot of money too? Yes, they have. Who wanted to buy 16 car? A young man. Who thought the young man was joking? The salesman. Who works on a fishing boat? A young man. Who has earned a lot of money this year? The young man. Was the young man dressed in a suit, or was he wearing rubber boots and a dirty jacket? He was wearing dirty boots, rubber boots, and dirty jacket. Did he want to buy a cheap car or an expensive one? He wants to buy an expensive one. Did he want to buy one car or 16 cars? 16 cars. Was the first salesman helpful or unhelpful? Unhelpful. Did the young man go to another shop, or did he stay in the same shop? He goes to another shop. Did he pay for the car in the cash or by check? By cash. Why did the first salesman think the young man was joking? Because he buys 16 cars. Where was the second car showroom? Across the street. How many cars did the man want to buy? 16 cars. How did the man pay for his cars? With cash. Where did the young man work? On a Norwegian fishing boat. Why did he want 16 cars? Because it is for his colleagues. Oh yeah, by practicing English every day, I am sure we can be fluent soon because it will help us to understand more. See you next reading. I am Raya. You are the future of the world. Miss you all. Selamat belajar bersama. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.